If you've been searching for a new powerful AI tool to streamline your business or personal tasks, then Thea AI might be exactly what you're looking for. In this Thea AI review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software that's already making waves in the industry. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether Thea AI deserves a spot in your digital toolkit. And as always, you can try it completely free from the first link below. The first thing to understand about Thea AI is its user-friendly interface. For those who aren't AI experts, this software is surprisingly intuitive. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get started, which is a huge win for small business owners or anyone who doesn't want to deal with complex setups. The learning curve is minimal, and that's one of the reasons this tool is gaining so much attention. Next, Thea AI is built to handle a wide range of tasks, from content creation to customer service. It has robust natural language processing capabilities that can assist in generating blog posts, email campaigns, social media captions, and more. Whether you're running a marketing agency, managing a content-heavy website, or even just trying to save time on your personal projects, this software can automate a lot of the time-consuming work. One of the standout features of Thea AI is its ability to optimize content for SEO. Unlike many AI tools that just generate text, Thea takes it a step further and offers suggestions for SEO improvements, ensuring that what you create not only sounds good but also ranks well in search engines. If you're into digital marketing or running any online business, this feature alone could make Thea AI a game changer for you. Another thing worth mentioning is Thea AI's customization options. You can tailor the software to meet your specific needs, whether that's adjusting the tone of the content, selecting certain keywords, or even fine-tuning how it handles certain tasks. This flexibility allows users to apply it to a variety of industries, from e-commerce to blogging and beyond. The integration capabilities of Thea AI are also impressive. It syncs smoothly with most major platforms like Google Docs, WordPress, and even social media channels, making it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. You don't have to leave the platforms you already use. Thea AI fits right in. Security is another aspect that shouldn't be overlooked. As AI technology continues to evolve, privacy and data protection are top priorities for businesses. Thea AI ensures that your data stays secure with advanced encryption and privacy protocols. This makes it a solid choice for anyone who needs to ensure sensitive information remains confidential. Finally, the pricing structure of Thea AI is competitive, especially considering all the features it offers. You don't have to break the bank to access premium tools, and there's a free trial available to give it a go without any commitment. It's one of the most affordable AI solutions on the market right now, which makes it accessible to small business owners, freelancers, and larger companies alike. By now, you can probably see why Thea AI is creating such a buzz. If you've been looking for a versatile, affordable, and easy-to-use AI tool, I highly recommend giving it a shot. As I mentioned earlier, you can try Thea AI for free using the first link in the description below. And if you want to explore more AI software options, I've listed my personal recommendations down there too, after testing thousands of AI tools myself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below for your free trials.